It just looks airbrushed. That's what it is. That's the word, airbrushed. Hey guys, it's Shaneice and I'm here with Sephora, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday summer makeup look. For me, before applying any type of makeup, I love to start with skincare. I always like to go in with a vitamin C because it gives me a really nice glow underneath all my makeup. So this is the Pharmacy Vitamin C Serum. I love the texture. I love the way that it makes my skin glow from within. It looks so good. Perfect for those summer days when you really want your skin to shine through. I'm sure you guys can see, looks bomb. So we did the serum. We have to apply a moisturizer, a go-to fave, the Fenty Skin. This is the Hydrovisor. Protects your skin, but also moisturizes. Has an SPF of 30. Again, it gives you that really nice glow and it smells so good. Love the texture of this also. It's super lightweight. Gives me that flawless base. So girls, it's time for the makeup. Most of you guys know I'm not really a huge makeup girly, so we're gonna do a little natural beat. That's the way I like it, especially during the summer months. Less is more. So we're gonna start with concealer. This is the Too Faced concealer and I use the shade Chestnut. So I like to just apply underneath the eyes. Don't have to use a lot. And then just right here for like a little bit of color correcting. And I let it sit. I have to let it sit before I blend it out. And then I like to go in with the Fenty contour stick. This is another one of my favorites. Like, look at this. This is just gonna give me a nice little bronze. So I just use a little bit of it right on the hollows of my cheek, up here, and then right here just to carve out the jawbone. So while I let the concealer sit, I'm gonna let it just dry a little bit so it can get a little tacky, and I'm gonna blend out this contour. And I'm using one of my favorite brushes from Sephora. This is the Pro Foundation 70 brush. I love this contour because it's just super warm and I think it looks good on my melanated skin, honestly. So shout out to Fenty. Blend, blend, blend. Now we gotta blend out the concealer. Use my little sponge. We're gonna blend. I'm just doing light tapping motions. And this concealer is just, I feel like it's my perfect shade. It brightens, but it's not too bright, so it's perfect for that everyday look. What do we think so far? Is it giving natural? Is it giving no makeup makeup? Okay, so we are sticking with the cream products. I'm going in with Fenty's cream blush in Daiquiri Dip. Love this beautiful bright color. It gives all the summer vibes, so that's why I'm really into it. And just taking a brush, and I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks and kind of even just blend it into the contour just a little bit. And if you smile, that just helps a lot too. Ooh, you guys see how pigmented this is? Oh my gosh. We gotta blend a little bit more. So I'm using just the bum of this sponge right here. So now we are moving into the powder products. So really just going over all of the cream products with powder. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. Absolutely love this. The shade is amazing on me, I feel like. Really gives me a nice bronze. So I'm just gonna go over all the spots where I put the Fenty bronzer. And then I also just like to take a little bit and put it on my nose. And then under here, we're all about the bronzer. Let's just say that. I love bronzer. Make me look like I'm on vacation any day. So what's next is a blush. So we are using a Sephora's blush in Hey Jealousy. I'm going over the daiquiri color in this bright pink. I've been so into pink lately. Haven't you guys? I know you have. This is also pigmented too, so don't need a lot, but the girls have been on the blush lately and I'm here for it. Take some on the nose. I also like to sweep this on my eyelid. Just give it a little bit of color because I'm not doing any eyeshadow. So the last powder product that I think you guys need, because this is one of my favorites, I've been using it for years, is the Sephora Micro Smooth. Game changer. This just really makes your makeup all come together. It blends everything really nicely. And I'm just gonna use the same powder bronzer brush and just go in. And I'm gonna like get under my eyes too. The finish of this is just really nice. I feel like it blends into my skin so nicely, so smoothly, really, really seamless. And it just brings everything together. So let's get into my go-to lippy. We need a brown liner. This one is from Makeup Forever. Another one of my favorites. This is in Limitless Brown. I think every like melanated girl, we need a brown lip liner. I love the way it goes on so smooth. So I'm kind of like a 90s girl at heart, so I love anything that, reminds me of the 90s. So I'm really into a brown lip liner and a plumping lip gloss. So this one is from Sephora collection. Love this. And it has like a nude pinkish tone to it. So this just really reminds me of like the 90s girl vibe, and I'm here for it. So this is pretty much the face. Of course, we have to set it off with a setting spray. This is a cult classic. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. OG, love this. And we're just gonna mist. So I'm just gonna take the sponge and just kind of like tap it in. This is just gonna bring the whole look together and give me some more of that glow that I love. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It is not gonna be budging in the heat. So if you guys are interested in trying out any of the products that I mentioned, shop the shelf below. Deuces.